I have a plan. Right now, but it's nice.
But like, come on,
When Hello everyone, what's up? Today is 26 Sunday 2026 and the time right now in Calgary is almost 9:20 p.m. and the temperature in Calgary is pretty hot. It's 30 degrees Celsius right now. The smoke is almost gone and today I am in downtown Calgary to show you guys how is downtown life going on during this weekend, and let's start the walk. And I just started my walking tour from the intersection of 9th Avenue Southwest and 1 Street, and I will continue my walk towards the 1 Street. The golden hour in downtown Calgary.
Sí, vamos para donde nos encontramos la otra vez.
And I have a plan to go towards 7th Avenue, and let's see how far I can go today. I'm surprised it's Sunday, but still I can see the crowd. Normally after 5 p.m. In the winter time, not in the summer, it gets very quieter, but it's summer times and weekends, so Calgary has so many tourists as well right now, but it's nice.
but like, come on,
When Calgary it's busier. I love it. I love people. I love full of street, like of colorful things, people, patio. This is summer actually. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Also, you can support this channel in this thanks button. Also, you can support this channel to share this video with your loved ones. And as you can see, this building is almost, I think, done. So right now I am at the intersection of 12th Avenue and 1st Street. I like this restaurant with lot of plants. Twelfth Avenue, this street, I always like it. It's so vibrant, so colorful. Even though it's this bus stop, it looks like you are walking on the movie street. Just crossed the road and decided to enter this little park. This park has pretty much everything: playground and tennis, and also this little sorry, my gimbal giving me so much trouble right now. And right now I am at the intersection of 13th Avenue Southwest and 2nd Street. even though it's almost dark, but I really want to show you guys this little park. It's so nice, so nice. Whenever you visit downtown, don't forget to visit this park, and during the summer, obviously, not winter, and it will, like, you will love it. This park has a couple of water fountain. I'm not sure they are open or no, but it gives you like a nice vibe. And right beside the park there is a public library. There was a water fountain, but it's closed. I can see one over there. There is a restaurant right beside the park. And this is the water fountain. It's open right now. You can see also a very nice downtown view from this park. Oh my god, it smells so good. I don't know which flower it is. If you like my blog, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also you can support this channel to share this video with your loved ones, and also you can support this channel in the thanks button. Take care, stay safe, and have a good day.